Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you are first to get my videos. In today's video, I wanted to make tortillas, but I wanted a healthier version, a basically low or no carb. So I went ahead and got my cauliflower and cut them up in little pieces so that I could rinse them off in my veggie spinner that will help to take the water or the moisture out of the cauliflower. So anyways, if you all don't know by now, I've been sick, and prior to being sick I was trying to eat as low carb as possible. But since when I was sick, I lost a lot of weight, couldn't maintain my couldn't gain weight, and I lost a lot of weight, so I had to start eating as much carbs as I possibly can along with my protein. But now I'm getting a lot better, and gaining back my weight. So now I have to go back to a healthier eating option. So I decided to do this and see how it would taste. I'm gonna link in my comment the recipe that I followed, a YouTuber that I followed on here. So I just blend my cauliflower after rinsing it and trying to make it as dry as possible, cleaning it off the edge. And I did a whole cauliflower and an organic one. And my blender, or it's food processor, for some reason doesn't blend as fine as I would want it to. I don't know if it's getting old, time for a new one, but I wasn't sure how well this would work. But it ended up working because in a video that I see the YouTuber that they do, is it comes out really fine, almost like a paste. Mine still had a little bit of rough texture to it, but it still did the job. So after doing this, I'm going to cover it up and put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And after that, I will go ahead and put it in my cloth and strain it. So this right here, in their YouTube video, they put, I think, cilantro. I'm gonna put spinach. I'm trying to get all my healthy greens, and then this is the cheesecloth that I'll be straining everything through and taking it to the sink. And then not a lot of water came out, and then just empty everything back in the container. And then I went ahead and add 2 eggs in order to keep it together. Now the thing with this, I ended up adding, you'll see I end up adding a third egg, and it did become a little bit watery. So I do think that the 2 egg would have been just perfect. And that was the recipe that the YouTuber used as well. They end up using 2 eggs. So this is the first one that I'm putting in. And I'll be cracking the second one. And then I start mixing it together. I'm like, maybe I need a third one. So, but I think I should have just continued mixing them together. I wasn't sure how this was going to taste. Cauliflower do have a little smell to them. Just put a dash of salt. I normally like to season with turmeric and black pepper, but currently I cannot use that, the black pepper right there. So I ended up adding the turmeric a little bit as well. And so this is the third egg that I ended up. But I think, guys, you could do it without the third egg. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix that together to allow it to become combined while I preheat my oven to 375. And I put it down the wax paper in order to not allow it to stick on my pizza tray. I love this pizza tray. I think I probably use it for pizza like maybe 3 times. The rest I do a lot of like cookie dough, powder bun, Belize and powder bun. But anyways, I'm just going ahead and flatten everything out. I'll be honest with you, I thought I was flattening it too much, but after it was done baking, I think I could have gone some more. But it's okay. It worked out fine. And I think I ended up using 2 trays, and I got 11 about this size. Hey guys, if you haven't by now, please take this chance to subscribe to my channel. Thanks. So I did this 1 tray, and then I ended up doing another one, and see if you could see on the right, you could see all the liquid kind of coming out. So that was because I think there was too many eggs combined with probably not enough squeezing of the cheesecloth. So that's what it looked like in the oven. And this is the taco that my son ate with regular tortilla. And so this is what it looks like. I ended up flipping it, and I didn't really time it. I just kind of went where I saw it coming brown, and like right here, it was too thick where it was breaking right there. So just gonna make it a little bit thinner, but it was fine. I didn't have problems with this. Is mine. This is mine, guys. Isn't this gorgeous? It was honestly, it was good. I felt so good after eating it. Like I ate a taco and I didn't cheat. I mean, really, this is my go-to from now on. So, anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. And I plan to do the cauliflower pizza and a cauliflower, no, maybe a broccoli treat. With well, just check out my other videos. You'll see it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave in a comment if this is something that you think you will try. Thank you. Bye bye.